How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the bumper vents on Alfa Romeo 147. But before I start doing that, I first gotta give you a fair warning. They are very brittle, and if you are not extremely careful you can easily break them. To do this, all I'm gonna use is this piece of steel wire. Before I start, let me just show you how the vent is attached to the bumper. As you can see right here, these corroded star washers hold the vent to the bumper, and as I said, in most cases they are very corroded. This will determine how hard the vent is gonna come off. As I said in the beginning, the vents are very brittle, so I'm going to use WD-40 to spray these washers a little bit, just to kind of loosen them so they can come off easier. I'm going to spray the rest of the washers that I wasn't able to reach from the front. Alright, here's my piece of steel wire. And I'm gonna start from this left middle one right here. Now I'm gonna move on to the bottom one. These are actually coming off easy. I'm gonna move on to this top one. Alright, this one required significantly more force. Alright, I got two more left. I'm catching these two last ones on the side where the plastic is a bit thicker. And here we go. Now all you gotta do is pull the vent off. Now, as I said a couple of times in the beginning, these vents are very fragile, and if you are not careful you can easily break them. Now that would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.